What's up, guys? Okay, so I'm gonna go to the fire department. Gotta get going. So, I'm gonna have to put some lotions on. There might be some people there too. Can you stop, Juno? See, this is what he does. You shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Go that way. Can't do that yet. Woke me up at 7:30. Actually, 7:20. Somewhere around there. Woke me up at that time. Just wanted to go outside. Even when it's freaking cold. Boy, someone needs to teach you a lesson. I'm not gonna teach you a lesson, but just kidding. But you know, you need to shut up. When the others wake up, you can go outside. I'm not bringing you outside at this time. It's freezing cold. You would want to come back in. You would not like it out there, buddy. You want it. Deep down, what I'm saying is because it's true. Nah, don't meow me. I know exactly why you want to go out there. You're not going out there. Nope. Nope. See? You can go over there. You're not gonna go over there. No. Sorry about that, my cat. My brother's cat is just being annoying. And it's kind of getting annoying because he wakes me up. He's the only one that wakes me up in the morning at this time every single day. It's a Saturday. I can't get rid of him. So, going to the fire department for a bit. See, that's what I have to deal with every single day. Next dude right here doesn't know when to shut up. He knows what I'm saying, man. He just doesn't care. Do I need to take you outside and get this spanking law? Where are my AirPods? I have blue AirPods. No, they're gone. Oh, there. No. 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 Bye, Jenna. Not gonna deal with that any longer. Going up to the fire department for a moment. relax that kitten and stuff. He ain't going. He ain't going outside in the freezing cold. I'm not gonna let him do that. His poor little body would freeze to death. And I'm over here going to the fire department in the cold. I know that, but like this dude is a small kitten. He's like the smalls of the smalls. And I don't want him getting cold or anything. So like I'm over here trying to like tell him that he can't go, and he's not happy that he can't. So I'm heading out to go to the fire department for a little bit. Cause I bet you there's not gonna be a single person there right now. They usually don't come until like 9. And I'm just over there just chilling. But I get it, it's cold. Nobody wants to come out to the fire department. Oh yeah, it's freezing out. Freezing out. This is gonna give me icicles. Which is why I'm on a bike up there. And that this helps keep up my energy in my arms and legs so they don't become cold. That's why I'm doing this. And it's like 8 in the morning. Everybody is still asleep. That's why it's so quiet. It's a Saturday. And if you want quiet on a Saturday here, come in my neighborhood. If you're like one of those people that want to walk around early in the morning, come buy a house in this little state right here. Salisbury, North Carolina. We're down here in this little area. And everybody's either asleep or they're at work. See, like, usually that road right there would have some cars on it. But it's so quiet. You see, awesome, because you know how I know it's quiet? Because usually you can't hear my bike. Like, whenever I'm pedaling, you can't hear it making that sound. So if you want to know if it's quiet or not, this is the sound that you're probably going to hear on your bike unless it's different. Either that or just wait 5 to 10 minutes. Because everybody else is asleep. So keeping myself hyped up. Woo. This is why I hate going down on huge, like, on roads that are like that, because it gets confusing, but I like the earplugs in my ears to help me keep me warm. Like, everybody's probably gonna stay inside and not bother the outside today since it's so cold. But I'm out here just doing this. So, the thing is, if you want to go in the military, some advice. I mean, if you have a choice, wait until you graduate high school and then go, because you probably won't graduate when it's like in the summertime. If you're in the winter, then I feel sorry for you, but I graduate in the summer, right before summer starts, so if I get in, I'll be able to have all that nice weather and not the freezing cold weather where you want to sit in your bed all day. I mean, yeah, it's still gonna be cold, but you're gonna have to get used to it. See? No cars, except for that mail lady. Still pedaling. I don't know how long it takes to get my stuff ready and a bike up here. I bet you that no one's gonna be there. I'm gonna be the first one there. See, look at that. Have you seen them houses? Like, I haven't been up here in a while, but it looks like that they're almost done. Like, not almost, but like, it's kind of amazing of how fast they're putting in these houses right here. See, look, they even have like a turning over here. That's actually pretty cool. Like, they're almost done with these small and giant houses. They look like little boxes, or they look like gingerbread houses. Right here, a second. So quiet except for that car. Like, usually this place is really busy Cars go speeding by through here all the time. But when they're like that, then yeah. Also, I heard that whenever it gets colder, I'm pretty sure roads, or I think it's like bridge narrow or something, but whenever it gets hot, the bridges are longer, and it makes it seem a little bit longer. Everybody's probably thinking, why doesn't he have a car? I have a bike, that's what matters. I ain't wasting gas on a car every single time I come to the fire department. I'd rather ride a bike in the freezing cold and get some exercise instead of driving. I mean, yeah, it would be fun. It'd be like the most fun I've had. But the thing is, I'm trying to get my license before I go into the military, so it'll be better. And when people say it's cold, take a second and think of how it used to be in the back in the olden days. Like, imagine when it got this cold and they were just sitting outside with no shirts on, trying to get some sleep. You know how painful that would be? Trying to get some sleep in your body and you are just shivering up close to other people. You know how terrible that would be? Yes. The video's still going. I'm gonna ride there in a little bit. Yes, in a car it's much faster. But on a bike, you get more exercise. I can already feel one of my legs, or both of them, no, one of my legs getting stronger. See how fast I'm going now? People don't care about the speed limit. Noted. Don't do this kind of shit. Oh, my hand's so freaking cold. Oh. I know it's gonna today. Really hope I remember the same code. Not code. Code. God damn it. Yes. That's kind of funny. Bing a bing. What a firehouse. I haven't been here in a while. I can't remember last time I would see. I might actually give y'all a quick tour. I'm gonna go put my that's what it is. Let me give you a tour of what our fire department looks like. Hold on. I've been up here in a while, so I might have to remember some of this stuff. Here's engine 481. Oh wait, engine 482, sorry. This used to be engine 481. I'm gonna check everything with flashlight to make sure they work. Okay, so they have 3 different modes on them. Okay, so that one works. Come on. There we go, you're gonna push it in. Nobody's here right now. So right now I'm just making sure all the lights are good and everything. Most people are still at home sleeping because it's a day to sleep for them, or some of them. Okay, so that one works. Cool. Okay, so these flashlights right here works. They work. Why is this? Oh, this thing is. Yo, this thing is not stable. That thing is not stable. Go on me, bro. That thing is not stable. Here is the driver. You have the pump, everything. You pull this up, turn it down. Here's the stuff. Here's the horn. Here are the Q siren and the air horn. And here are the breaking gas pedal. Here's the other stuff, cause like here's the other stuff. Here's the driving place. Here's the other flashlights. I forgot we're up here. And here's the radio, here's the lights. Here's the other stuff right here. Here's the radio. Here's the iPad. Get to the exterior. Or whatever you want to call it. Making sure every part of this is closed. Because if it isn't, then yeah. Here's the exterior. I also have a key horn, air horn on the side. The new truck actually has something better. The oxygen tanks. This flashlight that I need to check. Okay. Another radio. The mask. And the gloves. I'm just gonna show you what's up here. Oh, no, the back. I mean, I'm gonna do that tour a little bit later. Here's the stuff. Here's the water hose that we use for like big, huge fires. That's what we sprayed on. Here are the lights to see. And then here's our new truck that we got a couple months ago. Engine 482. It's bigger than 481. That's because it has a bigger much cab. Because we needed more space. So this one is the one I actually like. Because I haven't ridden this one yet. Actually, I have ridden it. But this one has like everything. Like, you gotta be kind of long to drive and press the horns. Gas pedal. Manual. Lights. The backup camera. Like, you can see the back because there's a camera on it. That's about it for this one right here. But it's just the driver. And also, thing is, it also has the stop signs on it, like most trucks usually don't. This is a very new built truck. It's a really nice one. Same lights. Same lights right there. Everybody's probably gonna be surprised when they see me because I haven't been here in a while because I've been doing like military training and stuff. So, like, I'm tall, and this thing is still big enough to hit me. I'm pretty sure they got a call not long ago about the lights. Got the other lights. I honestly, oh yeah, you have to take these out for them to work. This is one of the parts I like. Are you gonna turn on for me? It has like the lights on it. Oh, not this part though, but it's really nice because it's a very big truck, and I like this one because it's better than some others. Let me go to the exterior. so y'all can see it. I don't think anybody's gonna mind if I'm here. I'm pretty sure everybody else is somewhere. They're all still sleeping. So here's the permit. We have these little walkers. Oh snap. Some stuff in here for the exterior. All this right here. Even the lights. Down. I hope a cop doesn't come in here and ask, hey, what are you doing? Because I'm just out here minding my own business. I already showed you the side. Let me get it one more time. Like, these things are big enough. I mean, yeah, it's really nice. Some people have like 3 and then 3, 2, yeah. But since we live in like the town and not the city, we usually don't have that. Like, we don't live like close to any forest at all. Like, nothing. I'm gonna show you all the hook trucks. I'm also gonna show you one of my favorite trucks. Of all time. Not one of my favorite trucks, but engine 42 and engine 41. Engine 481 is my favorite. We got tanker. Get up here. Because someone made it ridiculous of how we had to unplug everything. Yes, this is a 3-person. Just like I was saying, 3 people. Right in the front. All this. Driver. The middle seat. Passenger. An exterior, I should say. Or whatever you want to call it. This one's a little bit different because the one's down there, and then it's not like as big as, it's not like setting up like a pizza like the others, or whatever you want to call it. That should not be open. I just got here. That I didn't touch that. Has someone been in here? Someone's been in here. Some of the okay, so there's proof that I didn't open. Okay, so these ones are closed, but this one's open. I wonder if they saw anything on their cameras. I wonder if they left it open. I think someone had to take something out of here. Because I feel like something's missing out of here. And it's usually here. We'll leave it. Also, this thing was open. This thing should never be open. So someone got to close that. Here's what the tanker is. The engine. You actually have, like, I wonder if I can take it down for a second. That's how much rope we have, and it's kind of hard to pull off sometimes. Like, I kid you not, it is kind of impossible to pull off something. Here we have Squad 48. So everybody know the medical guy, or the medical car. We had the front seat, the driver. Putting on here is good. trying to find the. Okay, so.
Rowan Fire Zone 2. Fire Dispatch 2.
I didn't touch it. I think it'll be fine. And then we have Brush 48. Yes, Brush 48.7 is the truck that goes off-road into the woods for every single use. Bro, someone did this car dirty. I think it's a tire. It's completely dirty inside this one. I'm gonna go in the back. Going in the back. You have the soup tool that's hooked to the front, and then we also have like these sprayers on the front somewhere. Scroll. Turn this truck on for a second. See how much gas it needs.
Rowan Fire Zone 2. Fire Dispatch 2.
No, I didn't. So, that's what it looks like. I'm making sure every single light on here. There we go. You can see. Here are the lights on this one. Can't do the lights on that other engines, but this will be all good. I wonder if both the lights work this time. That's what it looks like in the front. Okay, so both the lights work. Yes, they work. That one works. Everything here works. It's all good. So, like us know if you want more videos like this.